Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 6.7 liter PowerScope Turbodiesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with quite an extensive lift, as you can probably see. Running boards down below so you can actually get into your big truck, mud flaps on the front and rear, fender flares, big old off-road tires, a hardtop tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, and reveal your lockable storage box underneath with a 12 volt inside, so you can plug something in from there. And in the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle here with a 110 volt and 12 volt power outlet. And you do actually also have heated rear seats. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have two memory buttons with power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 111,300 kilometers, and moving down to your steering wheel on your right hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip A and B information, your fuel economy, truck apps, so off-road status and trailer status, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and information such as warnings, that one being tire pressures, I believe. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, we just hit the wrong one there, Bluetooth, SD, and AV, so you have a ton of options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then in the bottom right, you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats. And in the top right, you have your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. In the top left, you have your Bluetooth phone controls. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Above that, you have this compartment here, which houses your AV, SD, two USBs, and another 12 volts, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio from there. And then moving down, you have your media controls with your hazards and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, traction control shutoff, hill descent assist. Then you have a 12 volt here with your diesel exhaust brake, and on the right you have a 12 volt and a 110 volt power outlet. Moving to the middle, where you have four upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please, as well as a trailer brake controller. Then quickly looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears with your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have sort of you have four cup holders, but it's sort of modular because you can take those out. And then under this little panel here, you have kind of a secret compartment, or if you want to put like, I don't know, taller bottles in there or something like that, you can. And then you have your lockable center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, removable tray, ton of room, and another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. And then, last but not least, looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.